Do you dream of traveling the world, checking into beautiful hotels, and chatting with locals without feeling lost?
Today, we are giving you the exact vacation English toolkit you need to turn those travel dreams into a reality. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to book flights, order local food, and handle any travel situation in English.
But let's be honest, it's frustrating when you spend months saving for a trip only to feel paralyzed when a flight attendant asks a question or the hotel loses your booking.
It's scary to feel stuck in a foreign country because you don't have the right words. Most learners fail to enjoy their vacation because they're too stressed about making mistakes.
That stops today. We've designed this conversation to show you exactly how to navigate vacations, from the mountains of Canada to the beaches of Greece.
We're sharing real travel stories, including what to do when things go wrong, so you can stop worrying and start exploring. Let's get started. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Just Say English channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
I am Ramo.
And I am Sophia. On this channel, we help you practice English with real conversations.
Please, if you like our video, remember to subscribe and like it. It helps us a lot.
Today, we are going to talk about a very fun topic.
Yes, we are talking all about vacation. I love vacation. Let's get started. So, Sophia, how are you today?
I am great. The weather is nice today. I like the sun.
Me too. Sunshine is good. So, what did you do this weekend?
This weekend? Oh, I stayed home. I watched a movie and read a book. It was very relaxing.
That sounds nice. My weekend was busy. I visited my family.
Oh, that's lovely. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. My mom cooked my favorite food.
Wonderful. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, Sophia. I'm happy to be here now to talk about vacations.
Okay, Ramo, let's talk about vacations. Do you like vacations?
Do I like vacations? Of course. Everyone likes vacations. It's the best way to enjoy and exploring countries or places.
That's true. What is your favorite type of vacation?
My favorite type. Let me think. I really like beach vacations.
The beach. Why do you like it so much?
I love the ocean. The sound of the waves is so relaxing. I like to swim in the sea, sit on the sand, and read a book. It is very peaceful.
Oh, that does sound peaceful. I like the beach too, but my favorite vacation is in the mountains.
The mountains. What do you do there? It sounds quiet.
It is quiet, and that's why I like it. I like to go for long walks. We call that hiking. I look at the tall trees and the clean rivers. The air is so fresh and cool.
Hiking is good exercise, but I prefer to relax on my vacation. I don't want to walk too much.
Hiking is relaxing for me. It's not a race. I walk slowly and enjoy the nature.
Okay, I understand. So, where was your last vacation? Tell me about it.
My last vacation was in Canada. I visited my cousin who lives in Toronto.
Canada. Wow, that is a big country. Was it cold?
Yes, it was a little cold even in summer, but it was okay. We visited many lakes. The lakes in Canada are huge and blue.
That sounds nice. Did you like the food in Canada?
The food was very good. My cousin cooked for me every day. I tried something called poutine.
Poutine? What is that? I never heard that word.
It is French fries with cheese curds and a special brown sauce. It was very tasty, but a little messy to eat.
That sounds interesting and maybe a little strange. I want to try it one day. So, do you prefer summer vacations or winter vacations?
That's a good question. I think I prefer summer vacations. I like warm weather and long, sunny days.
Me too. I don't like being cold. For a winter vacation, I want to go to a warm place, like a tropical island.
Smart idea. So, what do you always take with you on vacation? What's in your bag?
Oh, I always take my swimsuit. Even if I go to the mountains in winter, I take it. Maybe there's a hot pool.
You really love swimming. I always take my camera. I love taking photos of everything, the food, the buildings, the people.
That's a good one. I take my phone for photos, but a camera is better for good pictures.
Yes, it is. Do you like to plan your vacation a lot, or do you like to be spontaneous?
Spontaneous? What does that mean? It's a new word for me.
It means you don't plan everything. You decide things at the last minute. You see what happens.
Oh, I understand. Thank you. No, I am not very spontaneous. I am a planner. I book the hotel and the flight many months early.
I am the same. I like to have a plan. It makes me feel calm and safe. I don't like surprises.
Exactly. If I don't have a hotel booking, I feel nervous. So, what is your dream vacation if you can go anywhere in the world?
My dream vacation? Oh, that's easy. Japan.
Japan. Why Japan? That is far away.
I love the culture. It is so different. I want to see Tokyo, the big city. I want to see the cherry blossoms in spring. And I really, really want to try the food.
The food is very good in Japan, I hear. Sushi, ramen, tempura.
Yes, I am very excited to go one day. What is your dream vacation, Ramo?
My dream vacation is in Brazil. I want to see the carnival in Rio de Janeiro. It looks so fun and colorful with music and dancing everywhere.
Oh, that would be a big adventure. Do you like long vacations or short vacations?
I like long vacations, 1 week or 2 weeks. You have more time to relax and you don't think about work.
I agree. A short vacation of 2 or 3 days is too fast. You come home and you feel tired, not relaxed.
Yes, exactly. How do you travel to your vacations? By plane, by train, by car?
I usually travel by plane. It is fast for long distances. But I like trains too. You can see the countryside from the window. It's beautiful.
I get a little nervous on planes. The takeoff is scary for me. But for long distances, it is the best way.
I understand. Do you stay in hotels or in apartments?
I usually stay in hotels. I like hotel breakfasts. You can eat so much food eggs, bread, fruit, coffee.
Hotel breakfasts are the best. So much choice. I love it.
I know. Sometimes I stay in an apartment. It is cheaper and you can cook your own food like at home.
That's true. Cooking on vacation can save money.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Souvenirs, you mean gifts for friends and family?
Yes. And for yourself, a small thing to remember the trip.
Oh, I always buy a magnet for my fridge. It's a small, cheap souvenir. My fridge is full of magnets from all my trips. It's like a map of my travels.
That's a great idea. I buy postcards. I don't send them, I just keep them in a book. I write on the back what I did that day.
That's very nice. So, what is the most beautiful place you visited?
The most beautiful place. I think it was Norway. The fjords are incredible. The water is between big mountains. So quiet and beautiful.
I saw photos. It looks amazing. For me, the most beautiful place was Greece. I think the white houses and the blue sea is like a picture.
Do you think vacations are important?
Yes, I do. They are very important. We work hard. We need a break. We need to rest our minds.
I agree. It is good for your mental health. You come back home feeling new and happy.
Feeling new. I like that. It's true. Do you ever have a bad vacation? A vacation with problems?
A bad vacation? Oh, yes. One time my flight was canceled. I had to wait at the airport for 12 hours. It was so boring.
Oh no, that is a nightmare. I'm sorry. Airports are not fun for 12 hours.
It was not fun. But in the end, I got on another flight, so it was okay. Did you have a bad vacation?
Oh, one time I lost my bag at the airport. It had all my clothes inside, my shirts, my pants, everything.
Oh, Sophia, that is terrible. What did you do?
I had to buy new clothes. It was very expensive. I was sad, but I got my bag back after 3 days.
I'm glad you got it back. That is a big vacation problem.
Yes, a very big problem. So let's talk about good things. What is your favorite vacation memory?
My favorite memory. I think I was in Italy, in a small city called Venice. I was eating gelato, looking at an old church. The sun was setting, the sky was orange and pink. It was perfect.
That sounds like a movie. Beautiful. My favorite memory was from Greece, swimming in the sea at night. The water was warm and you could see thousands of stars in the sky.
Wonderful. Do you like to try new food on vacation?
Of course, trying new food is one of the best parts of traveling. I always look for local restaurants.
Me too. Even if I don't know the name of the food, I just point and say, I'll have that, please. It's a surprise.
It's an adventure for your mouth. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's interesting.
That's a funny way to say it, but it's true. Do you learn a few words in the local language?
I try. I always learn hello, thank you, and goodbye. It is polite, and people smile when you try.
Yes, it is. People are happy when you try to speak their language, even just a little.
For sure. So, Ramo, what is your plan for your next vacation? Do you know yet?
My next vacation, I am planning to go to Spain. I want to see Barcelona and Madrid. I hear the art is amazing.
Spain is fantastic. The architecture is beautiful, and the people are friendly.
Oh, I have a list on my phone for packing. It helps me remember everything.
A list? That is a very, very good idea. I should do that. My brain is not good for remembering.
You should. It makes packing so much easier. Do you like to listen to music when you travel?
Yes, on the plane or on the train, I listen to music. It makes the time pass faster. I have a special travel playlist.
Same for me. I also like to look out the window and just watch the world go by.
That is nice too, especially on a train. So, we both love vacations, but what do you miss about home when you travel?
I miss my own bed. Hotel beds are nice, but my bed is the best. And I miss my morning coffee from my own kitchen.
I understand. I miss my pets. I have a cat. I always ask my friend to send me photos of her when I'm away.
That's sweet. Do you prefer traveling with a group or alone?
I like traveling with one or two good friends. Alone is okay, but it's more fun to share the experience. What about you?
I think the same. With friends, you can talk about the things you see. Alone can be a little lonely sometimes.
Well, Ramo, that was a really fun talk about vacations. We used a lot of good English words.
We did. Maybe we can talk about some of those words again for our viewers to help them remember.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's do a mini vocabulary review. We can explain the words simply.
Perfect. Okay, let's start with first word that I said is souvenir.
Ah, yes, souvenir. You said, I buy a magnet as a souvenir. So, a souvenir is something you buy to help you remember a place you visited.
Can you give another example of a souvenir?
Of course, a souvenir can be many things: a keychain, a postcard, a t shirt, or a small statue. It's a memory you can hold in your hands.
And it's usually not very expensive, right?
Yes, exactly. A small gift for yourself or family.
Okay, the second word is hiking.
Hiking means walking in nature for fun or exercise. It's not a walk to the shops, it's a walk in the mountains or a forest.
And you need good shoes, hiking boots, for that.
Definitely. The next third word is spontaneous.
That was new for me. It means you do something without a plan. You decide suddenly.
Like if a friend says, let's go to the beach right now, and you go. That is spontaneous.
I am the opposite. I am a planner. I like to book everything.
Speaking of that, the fourth word is booking, or to book means to reserve something, like a hotel or a flight.
Correct. And a dream vacation is your number one choice, the special place you dream about visiting.
Exactly. And local means from that specific place, like local food is the traditional food of that area.
And relaxing, that's the best part. It means calm and peaceful.
Well, Ramo, that wraps up our vocabulary. I hope that was helpful for everyone.
Yes, remember you can write these words in your notebook to practice.
Now it's time for our question of the day. This is your chance to practice writing.
Today's question is, what is your dream vacation? Where do you want to go and why?
Tell us the name of the place and why you love it. Is it the food, the beaches?
For example, my dream vacation is Italy because I love local pizza.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try your best. We love reading your comments.
Before we finish, please click the like button if this video helped you today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Just Say English so you never miss a lesson.
Thank you for practicing with us. You are doing a great job.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun.
Bye everyone. Have a wonderful week.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.